Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I will guide you through the simple steps to enable HTTPS only mode in the Firefox mobile browser. This feature enhances your online security by ensuring your connection to websites is always encrypted. Let's get started. Open the Firefox browser app on your mobile phone. Tap the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings. Then scroll down and find the HTTPS only mode option. Finally, tap on it and turn the toggle on to enable HTTPS only mode. By enabling this feature, Firefox will automatically try to connect you to the secure HTTPS version of every website you visit, protecting your data from interception and ensuring a safer browsing experience. To wrap up, enabling HTTPS only mode in Firefox Mobile is a quick way to boost your online privacy and security. Make sure to activate it today for safer browsing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.